We have, problem number 7. We got 2 pipes carrying water to a tank. Maybe we should draw a picture. Probably be a good idea. Let's see, what color should we make this tank? We'll make it, let's see, gray. So we got 2 pipes carrying water to a tank. All right, let's do it this way. So here's our tank. Well, I ain't ever going to learn on that one. Here's our tank. We got some open-ended tank. Put a dotted line representing we're looking through the tank. We'll put a hole in the tank about right there. Let's give the tank a water line. We'll say that's the water line. Or we can see a part of the water anyway. Alright, and it's draining out. Somewhere out here towards the bottom, we'll say. This time, unlike a previous problem, we're going to have 2 pipes. So we got a pipe here. Okay, and we'll put a pipe over here. How's that? So we have 2 pipes that are going to be pouring in. How do you like my artwork? Pouring into the tank there. Okay, at the same time. And also at the same time, the drain has been left open. So we can kind of think of this as the tank first was empty, then we started pouring water into it with the drain open. That's why it needs to be pictured. 2 pipes are carrying water to a tank. The first pipe can fill the tank in 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and label that. We'll label that. So we'll say this one can fill the tank in 4 minutes. The second pipe can fill the tank in 6 minutes. The drain can empty the tank in 12 minutes. So here's our drain. And we'll just label that as 12 minutes there. It can empty the tank in 12 minutes. Empty a full tank in 12 minutes. We should be talking about when the tank is completely full. How long will it take to fill the tank with both pipes if the drain is left open? So both pipes are working together. But what's happening here is we have water that's being subtracted off. Okay, water's being subtracted off. All right, let's go ahead and set up our equation. So we're going to have pipe number 1, okay, can do the job, 1/4 of the job in 1 hour. Right? 1/4 of the job in 1 hour plus, well, actually, we're talking about minutes. In previous problems, we were talking about hours. But now we're talking about minutes. So we should say that 1/4 of it can be done in 1 minute. That's what I meant to say. And then we have 6 minutes. So if they were working together, right, so 1/6 of it can be done in 1 minute for the second pipe. But remember, we're subtracting off now. Okay, we're subtracting off the water. And that means that 1/12 of it could be done in 1 minute. All right, because it takes 12 minutes to empty the tank. All right, and this is going to be 1/x. Okay. So we have an equation, and we want to solve for x in the problem. It's just that simple. Right? Just that simple. So let's do that. Now, if I multiply through by 12x all the way across, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to multiply by 12x all the way across. So 12x times 1/4 plus 12x times 1/6 minus 12x times 1/12 is equal to 12x times 1 over x. That's going to get rid of this fraction. Okay. So here we go. So 4 goes into 4 one time. 4 goes into 12 3 times. All right. So that's going to end up, we can rewrite this now as 3x plus 6 goes into 6 one time, 6 goes into 12 two times. So this becomes 2x minus 12 goes into 12 one time, 12 goes into 12 one time, so it cancels out. All right, so that's going to be x is equal to, and we got the x's canceling out here, so that's going to be equal to 12. What do we have? We've got 3x, 2x minus x, so that's 3, 4, 5. 5 minus x is 4x, is equal to 12. 4x is equal to 12. We solve for x, and it looks like x is equal to 3. Now remember, okay, um, 3 minutes. Does that make sense? Has to. Well, 2 pipes are carrying water to a tank. The first pipe can fill the tank in 4 minutes. The second pipe can fill the tank in 6 minutes. The drain can empty the tank in 12 minutes. How long will it take to fill the tank with both? Oh my gosh. Does that really say that? It's supposed to be pipes, not poops. Oh no, I'm not redoing this video. How long will it take to fill the tank with both pipes if the drain is left open? Sometimes things just don't make sense. 4 minutes plus working together, 6 minutes. Subtract off, it takes 12 minutes. Huh. Takes 3 minutes. That's interesting. I'm curious to know if they're working together and the drain is not left open. What will that be? Must be pretty quick, whatever it is. Let's see here. 5 over 12. It's 12 over 5. 2.4 minutes. Huh. Yeah, we got to go with it because that's correct. 3 minutes. Take 3 minutes to fill up with the drain left open. If the drain wasn't left open, it would take 2.4 minutes, which isn't much of a difference. Huh. I don't know. All right, we're done. Sorry about the misspelling there. And that reminds me of a crazy dream I had last night. Anyway, maybe that dream was trying to tell me something about this problem. Okay, see ya in the next problem.